Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Hope you're all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 4, the Internet and World Wide Web. Students, in the previous lecture, we have started the topic 4.1.4, steps involved in accessing the Internet. Today, we are going to continue this topic. Open page number 142, telephone line, other outer connection. Telephone line, DSL, broadband or Wi-Fi connection is necessary to access internet through which data transfers from one computer to another. Students, it is compulsory to connect to the internet. You have telephone line, DSL, broadband or Wi-Fi connection. Web browsing software, a software that allows the internet user to access and view web pages on the internet is called web browser or simply browser. Internet Explorer is a popular web browser. The process of viewing the information stored on web pages by using browser is referred to as browsing. Without browser, browsing is impossible on internet. Students, a web browser is commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page for a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the pages on the user's device. Internet Service Provider (ISP). A company that provides internet services to the client is referred to as ISP. There are many ISP companies in each country. For example, Pakistan Telecommunication Company Limited (PTCL) is the largest ISP in Pakistan. Other companies, including PTCL, that provide internet service for smartphones and phablets are Zong, Mobilink, Warid, Ufone and Telenor. Students, an internet service provider (ISP) is a company that provides customer with internet access. It is often referred to as just the provider. Data may be transmitted using several technologies including dial-up, DSL, cable modem, wireless, or dedicated high-speed interconnects. Other services such as telephone and television services or personal website or home pages may be provided as well. The services and service combination may be unique to each ISP. Today's ISPs are usually cable companies or mobile phone companies that offer internet subscriptions in addition to TV or mobile communication services. In Pakistan, the ISPs for smartphones included Ufone, Zong, Mobilink and Warid. Internet connection. Without connecting to internet, a user cannot enjoy the internet service. If an internet service is available on user's computer, it is necessary for him to connect his computer to the internet first through a proper procedure for browsing. Students, a user can't access the internet services without connecting to internet. For this, it is necessary that he must connect his computer to the internet through procedure for browsing. Topic 4.2, the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, whose short form is WWW, is an information system of interlinked documents that are accessed via internet. It is commonly known as web. A web is a part of internet. It consists of thousands of websites. Each website has a few or many web pages. Students, WWW, by name it's called the web, the leading service of the internet, and web is a part of the internet and it consists of thousands of websites and each website has many web pages. Topic 4.2.1, web page. A web page, also written as web page, is a web document that is suitable for web and web browser. Web browser displays the web page on computer or mobile screen. Each web page has a unique address and can be accessed from anywhere on internet. A web page can contain text, graphics, audio or video files and animations. A web page is a document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in an internet browser. A web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into a web browser's address bar. A web page may contain text, graphics and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. A web page is often used to provide information to viewers, including pictures or videos to help illustrate important topics. A web page may also be used as a method to sell products or services to viewers. Multiple web pages make up a website. Topic 4.2.2 Website. A website, also written as website or simply site, is a set of related web pages on internet. Different schools, colleges, universities and organizations have their own websites on internet. The first document or page of the website is known as homepage. Once a user arrives the homepage of any website, he can click any link of his choice. A group of worldwide web pages, usually containing hyperlinks to each other and made available online by an individual company, educational institution, government or organization. Students, when you open a website, the first document or a page that you seen on the website is known as home page. Now come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 9. Define the term website. Its answer is on page number 146. Website. A website, also written as website or simply site, is a set of related web pages on internet. Different schools, colleges, universities and organizations have their own websites on internet. The first document or page of the website is known as home page. Now the question number 10. What is meant by web page? Its answer is on page number 145. Starting from the heading web page, this whole paragraph is included in your answer. Now the subjective question. Question number 4, exercise F. Describe the difference between web page and website. Answer is starting from the page number 145. Web page, whole paragraph. Rest of the answer is on page number 146. Starting from the heading website, this whole paragraph is also included in your subjective question. You have to learn these questions. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.